Welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we will continue our NumPy library discussion. So yesterday we seen that what is NumPy, how we can import that. If NumPy is not exist in your environment, then how you can install that by pip install command. Then we saw that how we can check the shape, resize, what is multi-dimension. So today I will continue that topic. So now what I can do, I can just import that. I can run those. So our collab will be connect. So as you know, we can do a matrix operation also by using the NumPy. How you can do that? So if suppose you have a two array and you want to add both array, like you have array 1 and array 2, and you want to add both, so we can do that. But firstly, we will see how we can initialize array. So we have some methods if you will use that. So here we have ones, okay, and if you will see here, so firstly we have shape, and if I will show you this is example also here, okay. So you can see this is this is example. So if you will pass only one parameter here and you will run that, so it will create a array, and here you can see there is all are the ones value 5 times. But if you will pass the second parameter, means the first parameter you will pass as a 2, and here the second parameter is 5. So we can see okay, so this is a error, okay, so cannot interrupt 5 as a data type. So what you can do here, suppose you can pass 5 to, okay, so just run that. So this is also a error. But now if I will show you example, so here if I will show you 5, and you want to create suppose multi-dimension array, so what we can do, if yeah, perfect hoga. So you can see here I need to pass this parameter, I need to pass the tuple value, okay. So what is that tuple value? If suppose I want to create 2 rows, means 2 dimension, and each will contain 5 value, okay. So you can see that, okay. So we need to pass the value as a tuple. So once method, it will take only one parameter. It's taking only one parameter in this example, and here the one parameter is that tuple, okay. So I have shown you error because sometimes people face that issue, they directly pass the value, okay. So that's why I explain you how you can check that. So you can check the example with the prompt also, okay. So now we have one method, that is identity. So np dot, if I will show you, this is identity, and if I will show you the example also of identity, so you can see not perfect covering, yeah, yep. So you can see here 2 2 means I will not show that by 2, I will show that with the 5. It's taking only one parameter, okay. Second parameter is type, that you can pass in the ones or here also, but here if I am passing 5, so what it's creating that 5 rows, okay. And this is identity. If you will see that, so here we have 1, okay. So this is a identity matrix, okay. Now if suppose you have a 2 array, that is arr1 and p dot array, okay. In array I have 1 2 3 4 5. In array 2, np dot array. Now I have suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So here is the addition operation. Okay. If you want to add ARR1 plus ARR2, so you can do that. Okay. You can see each value is added. Okay. And this is a like addition operation. Okay. So now if you will create a normal list, okay, and here I am giving the same value, I am showing the each difference. Okay. So this is a list L2, and here this is a value. It's not copied now. I need to copy that perfectly. Yeah. So now I will add L1 plus editor. If you'll see the output, okay, so it's do a append operation, like it's added first list with second list, not the value. It's not impacting the value. So this is a difference between an addition of list and array. Okay, so here this is a like a numpy array in which you are adding the value, not like list. Okay, so this is a difference. I have shown you that also. Now same thing, like you can do a subtraction operation also, like ARR2 minus ARR1. Okay, so this is a subtraction, you can see. Okay, now you can do multiplication. Okay, and here you can do division. Divide by ARR. Okay, so this is the final result. Now if you have suppose you have a array that is ARR3, and this will be a multi-dimension array. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So this is multi-dimension array. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now I will create that. If suppose you want to access a value from this array, so how you can access? So you can see this is my 0 row and this is 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. And in that also I have some values. This is on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now if I want to access ARR3 and I want to access from 0 and I want to access suppose 30. So this is 0, 1, 2. I will write 2 here. Okay. So you can see 30 I got. And what you can do, even if you want that also, 0, 1, it was on the 2, right? So you can, this is also working same. Okay. And suppose now you want to access 90. So this is on 1 row and 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will run that. Okay. So this is a 90. So this is how you can access a like array value. And if you have some more value, I will show with more 30, 40, and 150. Okay, run that. Okay, so what I want to access the last this whole row. Okay, so this is on 0, 1, 2. So I will write 2 here. Okay, I got full row. Now I want to access this value 140. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3. Okay, you can give like that also. Okay, both are working same. So this is how you can access a value. And if you want to do a slicing, okay, so suppose I want to slice from the row 2, I want to access from 60, so from 0 to uh, suppose I want to access till 90. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. I will write 3, so it will give me result from till 80. Okay, so this is we work in the same string also. So if I will write that, so you can see. Okay, so okay, so this is on 2. Yes, so 0, 1, 2. So I need to write 1 here if I want to access that row. 60, 70, 80. So if I will run that, okay, I got 60, 70, 80 here. Okay, and if suppose I want to access full, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And like if the you want to access full, so just you can write 1 only. And if you want to do reverse, okay, so how you can do that? You can do -1 and leave that as a blank, or -1. Here we need to give a comma. Okay, it's an invalid syntax. So what you need to give? You need to give till 0. Hmm, what is the issue here? This is a step. Okay. So you can see this is how I can access in the reverse order. And if I will write here, like if I will not give any value, so this is a whole reverse. Okay. So this is how I reverse that index. Okay. So same thing we work in the string also. Suppose you have a string that you can watch the string video again. Okay. So if you have a string like str1, suppose you have a name Bob, uh, Harry. Okay. And you want to reverse that. So print str1 from -1. -1 means last index. Okay. I want to access from last. So this is the how many index you want to access. So I want to access till end. So I will not give any value. If you will not give any value, so it will go till end. And I want to give a reverse value. So I need to go reverse step. Reverse step means -1. Okay. So this is how I can reverse a string in a Python. So if you want to reverse that, if suppose I want to access from 0, okay, and I want to go till end, okay, and I want to jump 2 step, okay, so just to see the result, it's jumping 2 step. Firstly B, then 2 step, B, then 2 step. It's leave the space. We have H. If I will write 1 here, it will give full string. Okay, so it was jumping 2 step. So like that, what I was giving is start from -1, go till end, and jump -1 index. So same thing I was doing here. Okay. So this was related to the slicing and access, how you can access and how you can slicing in NumPy. Okay. And how we can do some addition, multiplication and division operation. Okay. So that's it for today. And like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.